Friends, I welcome you all of us. I am saying good morning. Please, you will be right. Yeah, okay. And today my topic will be what has cleared the mind and what is who is cunning boy. Yeah, he is cunning boy who is lot of earning money. All of us have to say. I am not only saying. All of us is saying he is cunning boy who is earning lot of money. That is cunning boy, right? But right, this is right. If I give you example, you have completed B.Ed, but you have no van for moving. But who people did not study, who people has no any degree, that people is moving in four wheeler. What I'm saying, please you listen. So that your degree and your study, what are doing? What are you doing? Your study and your degree, MA, B.Ed, and one people's he has no any metric degree, but he has all things for living facility. He has cooler for summer day. He is AC for summer day. It means he has all things for living. But you completed B.Ed, but you have nothing. You are working. You are one labor, but you have degree B.Ed. The friends, you make like this. If you did not get job, if you did not get job, that you make like this and you make your study in 1 years after, 2 years after. If the government did not give me job, I can do something self. In like this matter, I am saying you will be angry, but you don't angry. My matter, I am not lying. I am speaking true. Friends, only you have done any course, that is not big matter. This is big matter. How much earning money? Only for in this world I am talking. I am not saying after death world. I am saying you are living for in this world. In there are coming two matter. In this world, one world comes to after death. I am not talking after death as matter. I am talking you are living in this world. It is it is depend that how much earning money in these things is big things. So friends, in please, what is your capacity? Please you search that. Yeah. And now my channels is going on very less grow, but no problem. My means my mission is not my channel will be grow. My mission is this, that I can speak fluently. I can speak any place. And this is my mission. I am making video that my practice will be grow, my practice will be increase. So I am making. In this is, you understand? Please, this is flow. So friends, I don't make long video because I teach childrens now. But friends, once upon time, which I used to not speak one translation. And now, daily by daily, I am speaking. Please, you can understand and you can imagine that any translate I can speak as well as. If you will try, you can speak also. Whatever you have, same things I have. I have no two knowledge. I have no two brain. Whatever God given you, same things God given me. So friends, in now, yeah, you can say that your English any translate is happening mistake. Yeah, friends, I am also saying that any translate is happening mistake, but will be improved. You do not mind. Yeah, you do not mind something, and you don't worry for that. One day and every time you think, one day your English will be improved. Friends, I have to say, and I want to say you, please, you watch my full video. That's my channels will be grow something. So friends, today my topic was, and now in this era especially is happening depend that how much do you earn monthly. So friends, and please, that next time I meet you next video. So my time is over. Again tomorrow I will make another video.